Hello! Ating lulutuin ngayon ay sinabawang drumstick. So maglagay tayo ng ito po, mais. At saka meron din tayong pichay. Siyempre lagyan din natin ng kapayas para may kapayas kasi kami sa backyard. Kinuha namin ng maaga kasi kinakain mo ng arito. Luto na tayo, guys. Galiog ang sabaw. Yan, guys, binalatan ko kasi sarap man talaga pag binalatan kasi hindi man necessary kainin mo yung balat ng sa manok. Ay, meron tayong dito, guys, repolyo. May mais din tayo. Siyempre mamaya na natin ito ilagay itong atsal. So hintayin lang natin na maglambot. Actually gutom na talaga ako, guys. Wala pa akong pamahaw. Tignan natin itong iluto natin kung okay na ba ito, guys. Malambot na siguro ito, guys. So ihunod na ito ni kapayas, guys. Kapayas po to, guys. Na si Manay nagluto, nalata ang gulay. Bahala na. Hello, guys, matapos backyard, guys. Paano ng mga amigas? Ang anak deriya. Init kayo, guys. Sige na, Gab. Where's your boots?
Here.
Where are your boots?
Okay.
Careful, ha? Might have one. Backyard. Going to the backyard. No, I will not will. Bring the water.
Like sleeper, Mom?
Yeah, like sleeper.
No.
It's comfortable.
Like that dirty. That is for walk. Mom, stand for walk, Mom?
Yep.
Okay.
Nam's backyard, mga marang. Food is ready. Bring that one to Daddy, girl.
Dad, this is for you.
Just for me?
Yeah,
Thank you, my daughter.
but I want to try hair.
She just finished the apple. Tingnan yung unggoy, oh. Ano na sa ladder.
I have to be there for this.
Diwang, are you okay, Diwang?
Careful now.
Agoy, ginoo. Hello, Mars. Namin backyard, Mars. Nawa na yung kalo. Banintuwang yung kalo, Mars. Balintuwang. Agoy, nakatagak ang yabi. Bugat naman ka, Diwang. Uy, pinuo ko, pastilan dolor. Ay, pastilan dolor, Diwang. Namin diri sa among uma. Ayaw na lang kamot yung lagi.
Yeah, look, Daddy. That is for that. Is it?
Dragon fruit, mga Mars, oh. Kuha na rin atis, na diha atis, oh. Pinya, tanglad, passion fruit dayon. Narito passion fruit. Pangaon sa iguana ang among kuan. Saman. Pangaon sa iguana ang among kuan. Ay, dahon sa kanang passion fruit. Dari may saging dito. Bugnaw diri, Mars, bugnaw.
I can get down, Dad. I need to
Bugnaw ang panahon.
not this one. Wait, can I go here?
Ah.
Dad, let's go here, Dad.
Dito yung unggoy, oh.
Hi.
Kat-kat sa mangga. Unggoy, kat-kat sa mangga.
Mom, look, Mommy.
What?
Look, on the right.
What in a white?
Look,
What is it?
that is lizard.
Lizard.
Yeah. In the backyard. But it's like that one is like it leaves, but it's no more mango on it.
Okay. Bali ng kuan ha.
Baby, baby.
Ta. Ishush. Ngilingihe. Pastilan butaan eh. Oh my goodness. Fresh na ang among bata. Watch this one. You watch? Midyasan ako guys kay bugnaw ang panahon diri ah. Wala na mo gipaandar among easy kay bugnaw ang panahon guys. So let's clean up the nose. Let's clean up the nose. Tayo kasi now. Hehehehe. Quiet kayo diwa. Nara.